patient, we don't need to put the patient on rest. If the patient is on solitary, only ACL injury. If the patient has a multi-ligament injury or some other meniscus injury, then it is a different scenario. But if the patient has got an only ACL injury, you can put the patient on the rehab from the first day, because this, if you don't put them on rehab, there will be starting of weakness of the quadriceps as soon as they start to rest or they put themselves in a cast or a brace or something like that. So rehabilitation from day one is usually recommended in an acute solitary ACL injury. Now we'll talk about the rehabilitation after the injury. So whenever after the surgery. So if there is a ACL surgery, you need to ask to the patient, to the surgeon, what kind of surgery is done and what all procedures have been performed. Now these procedures can be grossly divided into two groups. One is a pure solitary ACL reconstruction surgery, and in the second group there will be ACL reconstruction surgeries which are combined with meniscus surgeries, like meniscus repairs, root repairs, or other ligament reconstructions like PCL and other ligament reconstructions. So if the patient has got only ACL injury, only ACL surgery, then you can do a little bit of quicker rehabilitation. If the patient is on ACL injury along with a meniscus repair, then your rehabilitation will be dependent on the other procedure. Like if you are doing a meniscus repair, then usually we like to protect the meniscus repair for a period of about 2 to 3 weeks, and then we start mobilization. So this depends what is the surgery which is performed. So you should always check with the surgeon that what exact surgery is performed and when we can mobilize the patient. Now when you mobilize the patient, there are two things you must ask to the surgeon. Number one, when the patient can bear weight. Again, if only ACL reconstruction surgery has been done and no other ancillary procedures are done, then you can weight bear on the next day. Second day you can put the weight. Whereas if you have a meniscus repair or some other procedures which are done like mosaic-plasty or ligament reconstructions, other ligament reconstruction, then you might need to wait. Okay. The second thing you need to ask is about the range of motion exercises. Now range of motion, all surgeons have their different protocols. Usually what I believe is that the patient should achieve a good functional range of motion in 1 month of the period post surgery. So if I talk about 30 days period, in 30 days period the patient should have a more than 90-degree range of motion which is achieved. Even if you want to immobilize the patient for initial 2 weeks or so, then also this criteria should be met. So about 1 month from the period of surgery, you should achieve a range of motion which is more than 90 degrees. Now the most important thing is rehabilitation includes the strengthening of the muscles. This muscle and these muscles.